Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? All right, as y'all can already hear, man, I'm still sick, stuffed up and shit. I know I should be in bed resting up, but I really need to get this 300ZX done, man. I'm trying to get it done for Winter Jam this weekend because I want to take the 300ZX out there to Winter Jam. So yeah, I don't have an option to really to lay down and rest up. But I'm feeling a little better, but y'all can still hear it. I'm all fucked up still. But yeah, anywho, man, I'm about to be heading out to Hexa right now. Taking the car there. That way they can check the wiring and stuff. I am gonna be bringing my laptop with me. So hopefully today we'll have a solution and have the 300ZX all fixed because, like I said, I need to have this thing done by this weekend. That way I can take it to Winter Jam. So we'll see what happens. But anywho, let's not drag out the intro. Let's just jump in and head out. Just getting here to Hexa. Man, I need to go ahead and buy these freaking trim that go up here. It's just hella expensive, so I ain't been trying to buy them. $400 for this stupid ass trim. Drift car. I don't need it. What's up, Blood?
What's going on, man?
Alright, so we got George and Tucker over here getting ready to start doing the little whole wiring, tracking and stuff, so we'll let them get to that. Alright, so Tucker just got done cleaning up the wiring. Had like a big ass ball of wiring right here. Now it's all tucked away. Tucker with the tuck. Alright, so now that the wiring's all cleaned up and fixed, check this out. There we go. Now look, we're showing, remember how it was 10.0 before? Now we're 11.5, 11.6, and we're kind of close on the gauge. So this does seem like it's a bit better. I'm gonna call my tuner now and see if I can get him to scale this map. But yeah, that looks better. Seems like the O2 sensor's finally working now. Alright, so I'm gonna let this warm up fully, but you can see right here, O2 12.5, target is 13.6. And as it warms up, we should get closer to the target AFR. So we'll see how this goes. But it's looking like we are good finally. I don't want to jinx it yet. I don't want to say finally, but as of right now and the way things are going, we should technically be alright. Bam, there it is. Look at that. We're almost at target. There we go. That's what I want to see right there. We're at 13.3, target's 13.6. So literally, once this gets up to operating temp, we should be spot on with the tune again. All right, everything all buttoned up. Now we're about to shake. I want to try to get as far as I can before we run into this crazy ass traffic on Highway 37. So yeah, let's get up out of here. Hopefully everything's good now. Also too, before we well, let me close this. Also too, once we get ready to do some pulls, if it does do the breakup thing, then I'm pretty sure that I need to swap these plugs. These plugs are probably hella old, so if it breaks up now, I think it's just plug related. So I think we should be good. So yeah, anywho, man, let's get up out of here. Let's go. All right, let's see if she's fixed now. No breakup, no sputter, no nothing. Told y'all it was all because of the O2 sensor wasn't reading with the ECU. Shit's good now though. Yeah, this thing is back. It is back, full power and everything. So I got the 26 PSI map in here. This thing's a ripper. Oh God, I forgot how good this car felt, man. Damn. Like number wise, this thing doesn't make hella power, but the power to weight on here is crazy. Ah, that's so dope, man. That is so dope. She is good now though. That's the best part, man. That is the best part about everything, is she's good. Then we just cruising this little turbo, we make a hella noise. Little Garrett Gen 2 GTX. Woohoo! And And there it is. So we officially back home. As y'all can see, man, car's finally running back to normal, back to hitting 26 psi. Like everything seems to be good now. I'm gonna schedule a little tune with my tuner, see if we can find some time to remote in. That way we can just clean up the drivability. But on full throttle, everything's good. But we are running a little just like partial and normal driving. So that's to be expected with the new harness and stuff. I already had a feeling that it was gonna be slightly off and we'd have to adjust the drivability and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna just set up something with Lawrence. That way he can get that knocked out. And then she's back to being A1. So yeah, finally, man. This is 3 days or 3 videos of trying to figure this thing out. But I'm glad everything's situated now. Maybe tomorrow or a couple of days or something, I'll get out here, swap these new plugs in, because we do have some sputtering on boost, but I'm pretty sure that's just plugs. But anywho, man, I'm gonna go in here, lay down. Y'all can still hear it. I'm fucking sick still. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. But yeah, man. Till next time. Rest time.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to do